Hi everyone. Now I'll explain a question for Polyset Polytechnic entrance exam for the class 10 students. 1 plus cos theta plus cos square theta plus cos cube theta plus so on to infinity equals to. See here, we don't know the value of theta. How many terms are there also we don't know. So how to find out this? It's very simple. No need to get any tension. See here, 1 into cos theta is cos theta into cos theta is cos square theta into cos theta is cos cube theta. Here common ratio is cos theta. Here r equals to cos theta. 1 into cos theta into cos theta, cos square theta into cos theta, cos cube theta. So multiple is cos theta. So given expression or series is in GP. 1 plus cos theta plus cos square theta plus cos cube theta plus so on to infinity. It is in GP. Geometric progression. In GP, sum of infinite terms formula is S infinity equals to 1 by a by 1 minus r. A by 1 minus r. A is initial term or first term. R is common ratio. Sum of infinite terms in geometric progression formula is a by 1 minus r. Use that a. The value of a is 1. Here a equals to 1. So a by 1 minus r. R is cos theta. This is the answer. 1 by 1 minus cos theta. See here, it can be expressed in different ways. One is the value of tan 45 degrees. Tan 45 degrees by tan 45 minus cos theta. Or this is sin 90 degrees. So sin 90 degrees. Pi by 2 is 90 degrees by sin 90 degrees minus cos theta. In different ways you can express this answer. So according to options you have to select suitable one. Thank you.